Welcome to the channel. Today, we're looking at the eufy security video doorbell S220, a battery-powered marvel designed to keep your home safe and secure. This isn't just any doorbell, it's packed with features to give you complete peace of mind. Enjoy crystal clear 2K video quality, day or night, thanks to its professional-grade lens. Say goodbye to blurry images and hello to sharp detail, capturing every moment with precision. This doorbell boasts incredibly smart human detection, so you only receive alerts for important activity, eliminating annoying false alarms. Customize detection zones to focus on specific areas, further reducing unnecessary notifications. And the best part? It features local data storage, so you don't need a monthly subscription to access your recordings, saving you money while ensuring your privacy. Experience comprehensive front door coverage with a 4:3 aspect ratio, providing a head-to-toe view of visitors, eliminating blind spots. You can choose between a long-lasting 180-day battery life or opt for a continuous wired power connection. Two-way audio lets you communicate with visitors remotely, whether it's greeting a delivery person or deterring an unwelcome guest. Plus, integrate seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant for ultimate convenience. This system is built for convenience, installation is a breeze, and the weatherproof design ensures it functions reliably in all conditions. The eufy security video doorbell S220 offers advanced S256 data encryption to protect your footage. It's available at a reasonable price. Don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and tech updates. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos.